Limo Hotel Taxi is a transport company that provides transport to different hotels like 4 Points by Sheraton, MN Pasha, Latitude, or Limo Hotel. So at the beginning of this year, I wanted to up our game, and we had seen the Jimnys, some cars called the Jimnys around, and we wanted to make our guests feel more special, because the Jimnys, when you look at them, they're such beautiful cars. So I went to CFAO. They introduced us to a partner bank. So once we started the talks with the bank, they asked us for some documentation. For example, they asked us for the trade license, certificate of incorporation, the audited books of accounts, Form 1, Form 18, to mention but a few. We agreed that they would give us 95% financing, and would just have to give in 5% for the cars. So after, it took us only 2 weeks to get the cars. After the talks with the bank, after 2 weeks, we secured the cars. And ever since we got the cars, its fuel consumption is low, and that has helped to reduce our operation costs. It's a very fast car, so when it comes to like up country, so that's the car we go for because it's very fast and it's beautiful. The Jimny has increased our clientele. It has really been a beautiful journey with CFAO, because it has been there for us when the car is down, the service, they're very fast. It has been a very beautiful experience with CFAO. So I would encourage everyone to run to CFAO and get the Jimny.